time Samsung introduced the Galaxy Note 9, there were no signs of a Gear VR headset, but virtual reality fans should not fear. You can use the latest model designed for the Galaxy Note 8 through a free adapter. The Note 9 is compatible with your existing Gear VR, but you need a new Type-C adapter, says Samsung in its troubleshooting guide. The current owners of Gear VR with SM-R325 model controller can obtain the new adapter free of charge by contacting 1-800 Samsung. So, in other words, it is not necessary to bring a sander to your Galaxy Note 9 as some apparently did. And, for the moment, it seems that there is only one way to get the adapter, and that is directly through Samsung. Please note that the adapter may take up to 2 weeks to ship, as Sam Mobile points out. On the one hand, it is easy to see why Samsung did this, since the last headset was already good and had actually changed little compared to the previous model. It would seem a waste, then, to launch another new headset when a perfectly good one already exists. On the other hand, it is not a great signal that Samsung is de-emphasizing the Gear VR compared to the previous one. That could point to less interest in a product that, not so long ago, was a key selling point for the Galaxy S and Note lineup.